Alimosho, what happened today? The Alimosho NNPP Assembly candidate, he decried the expensive nature of politics. Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. See, I said it, that it's as if people, the electorate, they are expecting the candidate, the aspirants, to rub their palm before they can even give their votes. Kilo faru eléyìí. She even said it further that the orientation that most electorate that they have is that their palm must be rubbed before they vote for the person that they believe in. Talo Seleyi, Islamiyya Adebowale, the new Nigeria People's Party Assembly candidate for Alimosho constituency 2 in Lagos State Assembly. She is the one that talk it. What she has said, it did true or it not true? What she said, is it true, habi not true? Because before I give you my vote, I know you can do it, but before I give you my vote, you must do something for me. Is that what we want to continue in? Is that what we want to continue in? She said it at a political clinic that was held by Yagi Africa. Speaking to the journalists after the political clinic, the executive director of Yagi Africa, Samson Hitido, he's talking to you. He said that the essence of the clinic is to help the aspirants to understand the procedure in order to prepare them for the election, and also to even give them the skills that they need, so that they can also be able to win. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá padà sọ́dọ̀ wa o. Say, are we in the category of the people that have the orientation that your palm must be rubbed before you give your votes to the right person? If you are like that, please, you need to change your orientation, because it's a wrong orientation. If you know that there is somebody who is qualified, please vote for the person without expecting anything in return. What you need in return is for the person to do the job the right way.